it's also the
I saw your remodeling job.
It's pretty much done.
Oh my goodness.
I wake up.
You like the ding ding ding? Look both ways on the track. Are we
Even
safe?
if that thing's not down, it could be malfunctioned. You always look.
Always
If it comes
look.
rushing through here.
Wave to the choo-choo. Say hi, choo-choo.
It's because it just left the station.
Say hi, choo-choo. Hi, choo-choo. So somebody was supposed to nap hours and hours ago, but they wouldn't because he's so screwed up as to what time it is. I don't know. I think he kind of just went to sleep at home time, like home bedtime. So here it is. We have to have dinner a block or two away in about 15 minutes, and he's asleep. So I'm gonna put on the carrier and just pick him up, I guess. Wish me luck. So I totally haven't filmed what the house looks like yet. Maybe tomorrow I can do it. So today it was pretty rainy. We went out to breakfast and let's see, what did we do? We came back here and I tried to get him to nap because he was so tired, but he just wouldn't, and we had to go back out to have lunch with Nana at noon. So we went to her place and had lunch at their community, which was really nice, and Sebastian was so good despite being really tired. And so we thought for sure he would come back and nap, but no, he still wouldn't nap. And time just kept passing and passing, and he didn't nap. And then finally, like an hour before we had to meet more family for dinner, he finally went to sleep. I think he was like going to sleep because he thought it was bedtime because it wasn't back at home. And I had to just kind of wake him up and put him in the sling, as you saw, which went fine. He was just kind of dozy and happy. Yes, you can have some of my water. And he was good and sleepy at dinner, but eventually our family gave him a little tool set. We already took it out of the package. It's just in the gift bag right now. So he warmed right up then, and he's all peppy. We went to Starbucks and chatted with family. You need to be careful. So we just got back. My husband and Jax went to the 7-Eleven to get snacks and drinks, I guess. And I'm gonna get this little one into jammies. I don't know when he's gonna fall asleep. It is 8:38 here. But because he just had a nap right before dinner, I don't know when he's gonna sleep. But I'm gonna get into my jammies. I already put my hair up because I lay in bed with him while he's getting to sleep. But anyway, I can show you this bathroom before we say goodnight. So obviously our crap is everywhere, but here is the sink area. I like how it has an outlet here so I can do my hair straightener tonight. And then there's a tub, which I have never used because I'm like a late night bath kind of girl, but there is no door and Sebastian sleeps right there, so there's the toilet. And then a nice closet. It has a changing table. This year is the first year we're not using the changing table. I'm doing it on the floor. He's so long that it's kind of easier for me to lay down on the floor. Shower area.
Mama.
But yeah, I love this tub.
Potty.
I would like to use this sometimes.
Potty.
I don't need to go potty, but thank you. I don't need to. Are you drinking all my water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I brought my cup from home because I'm trying to drink a lot more water. Every night I'm so dehydrated. So I'm going to be filling that later and trying to drink 1 or 2 of those. Is that good? You want to say goodnight to everybody?
Good night, Ella.
Okay, I'm going to turn it around and say goodnight too. Alright, well, I guess we will see you tomorrow. We are going to go to the San Diego Zoo, which has been a few years for us, and I don't think Sebastian's ever been there since he was old enough to actually absorb anything. So that'll be a lot of fun. We're going to meet up with a friend who moved out here, so we will see you with a little bit more excitement, I guess. Good night, everyone. Oh, thank you for all your well wishes for Benny. He is so happy. Here's a little video of him with his friend Abby. He's so happy to get all the love and attention and be around some other dogs without having to go out on walks, which is really hard for him. So thank you. Continue to think good thoughts for him. We'll have a shower in the morning, baby. I'm saying goodnight to everybody. All right, so now good night for real. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
I'm thinking you like